I'm currently in Qingyuan. This is a 3-spray and 3-bake high-temperature coating line. It is designed and manufactured by Geetech Electromechanical. Let's take a tour with my camera. This is the feeding area. This is the first dust removal room. It's brush dust removal. You can get closer. This is the second dust chamber. It's brush dust removal. The brush removes the dust in the middle to increase the processing rate. This is electrostatic dust removal. The first spraying room. Here is the first spray booth. It is equipped with 6 spray guns. 6. This area is for bow preheating. Is the second spray booth. It's also equipped with 6 spray guns. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here is the motor atomization. This is the music room. Our staff are working on it. This is the third spray room, also equipped with 6 spray guns. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 guns. This is a high temperature room. Let's open it and take a look. High temperature oven. There are 2 more ovens behind. The second and third drying rooms. This is the second oven. This is the third card. For long-distance cooling. After cooling, we unload and pack here. Let's take a different angle to view it. This is the third platform, high-temperature curing oven. After cooling, install it from here.